Luxury Modern Minimalist House Tour 2025, Timeless Architecture and Inspiring Home Design Trends. This Luxury Modern Minimalist House Tour 2025 reveals a vision of living that is both timeless and inspiring. The architecture stands as a statement of elegance, with clean lines, strong forms, and materials that carry a sense of permanence. Inside, the serene interiors unfold with openness and balance, designed to provide comfort while maintaining a minimalist soul. Every space feels intentional, every detail carefully considered to create harmony and sophistication. The connection between indoor and outdoor living defines the experience of this home. Glass walls dissolve boundaries, allowing light and nature to flow freely through the interiors. Outdoor spaces extend the lifestyle, with landscaped gardens, wellness-focused areas, and a sleek infinity pool that reflect not only the architecture, but also the surrounding environment. It is a seamless integration that transforms everyday life into a retreat. This house is more than a showcase of style. It is a reminder of what true luxury means today. Luxury is not measured by size or extravagance, but by thoughtful design, purposeful spaces, and a natural rhythm that enhances well-being. It is about living with clarity, elegance, and connection to the world around us. Thank you for joining this journey. For more inspiring home designs and architectural ideas, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Architectural concept. The vision behind this home embraces minimalism at its core, defined by bold geometric volumes, expansive layouts, and an atmosphere of clarity. The design relies on strength and simplicity, where natural stone cladding and smooth concrete surfaces create a timeless sense of permanence. These materials give the structure character, grounding it in elegance while maintaining a contemporary spirit. Light becomes an essential building element. Wide glass panels stretch across the facade, dissolving the boundaries between interior and exterior spaces. Each window frames nature like a living artwork, creating a constant dialogue between the home and its surroundings. This interplay of light, transparency, and materiality is what defines modern luxury in architecture today. The open-plan layout enhances functionality, flowing seamlessly from one zone to another, while maintaining a calm rhythm throughout. The minimalist approach is not about absence, but about purpose. Every line, every surface is intentional. This clarity allows the home to breathe, creating harmony for both living and retreat. Looking ahead, the concept reflects the trends shaping future homes: sustainability, energy efficiency, and adaptability. Integration of outdoor landscapes with indoor comfort is no longer optional, but essential. This design proves that modern luxury is achieved through balance, strong in form, refined in detail, and deeply connected to nature. Living room. The heart of the home is designed as a sanctuary of openness and light. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls invite the outside world in, filling the space with natural brightness and framing views that change with the rhythm of the day. The atmosphere is calm and refined, achieved through a palette of soft, neutral tones that create both warmth and sophistication. Every element in the living area is purposeful, chosen to embody function without excess. The furniture is carefully curated, with clean-lined pieces that provide comfort while maintaining the minimalist aesthetic. A sectional sofa anchors the room, offering both relaxation and versatility, while sculptural lighting elements add an artistic touch that elevates the overall composition. The balance between openness and intimacy defines the experience of this space. It feels expansive, yet personal. The absence of unnecessary ornamentation allows the architecture and furnishings to breathe, ensuring that every corner has meaning. This clarity gives the living room its unique character: modern, elegant, and deeply connected to the lifestyle it supports. Looking toward current and future design trends, The living area reflects the movement towards simplicity, natural integration, and timeless comfort. It is a place where minimalism meets luxury, where daily life unfolds in an environment of effortless beauty. Kitchen and dining. This is the space where functionality meets refined design, creating an atmosphere that is both practical and inspiring. The kitchen is crafted with seamless cabinetry that hides complexity behind clean lines. Natural stone countertops provide timeless elegance, while integrated appliances maintain a sleek, uncluttered look. Every surface and every detail speaks to precision, transforming the kitchen into a place of effortless efficiency and style. Beside it lies the dining area, defined by a sense of understated luxury. An elegant table anchors the space, paired with designer chairs that balance comfort and form. Positioned next to expansive glass doors, the dining area opens directly to the terrace, dissolving the boundary between indoors and outdoors. This thoughtful placement allows light and views to enhance every meal, whether it is a casual breakfast or an evening gathering with friends. The design is not only about aesthetics, but about experience. By combining openness with intimacy, the kitchen and dining areas create moments where everyday living feels elevated. Meals here are no longer routine. They become rituals surrounded by beauty, light, and connection to nature. Looking at current and future trends, these spaces embody what modern luxury means today. Streamlined design, integrated technology, and an atmosphere that turns functionality into art. Bedrooms. These spaces are designed as sanctuaries, embodying the essence of minimalist philosophy. Calm, uncluttered, and deeply restorative, each bedroom offers more than a place to sleep. It becomes a retreat for the senses. The design relies on balance, where simplicity creates serenity, and every detail is chosen with intention. Soft textures bring comfort without excess, from gentle fabrics to subtle layers that invite relaxation. Warm lighting adds depth and intimacy, shifting the atmosphere from day to night with effortless ease. A palette of natural tones grounds the rooms, reinforcing a sense of harmony that connects the interior to the world beyond the walls. The master suite becomes the centerpiece of this concept, expanding into a private balcony that frames panoramic views. Here, architecture and landscape merge seamlessly, offering a direct dialogue with nature. Morning light pours in through wide glass openings, while evenings invite quiet moments under the stars. It is a design that prioritizes both luxury and tranquility. Reflecting present and future design trends, these bedrooms redefine personal space. They move beyond decoration, focusing instead on comfort, wellness, and the art of retreat. Minimalist in spirit, yet rich in experience, they remind us that true luxury lies in clarity, calm, and connection. Bathrooms and wellness. These spaces are envisioned as private sanctuaries, transforming the daily routine into an experience of calm and renewal. The design draws inspiration from spa retreats, where simplicity and refinement merge to create an atmosphere of serenity. Large format stone tiles set the foundation, their natural texture and muted tones adding depth and timeless character. Floating vanities enhance the sense of lightness, while frameless glass showers maintain a seamless flow, eliminating visual barriers and allowing the room to feel expansive and open. Every element is chosen to reduce clutter and emphasize clarity. At the heart of the space, a freestanding tub positioned by the window becomes the centerpiece. Here, bathing evolves into a ritual where the mind and body unwind while immersed in views of nature. Morning sunlight, evening shadows, and the gentle presence of greenery outside elevate the experience, connecting wellness to the rhythms of the environment. This approach reflects the design trends shaping the present and future, a focus on well-being, sustainability, and the integration of natural elements. Bathrooms are no longer functional afterthoughts, but central expressions of modern luxury, where architecture and lifestyle unite. They embody the essence of minimalism, calm, restorative, and deeply connected to nature. Outdoor living. Luxury in this home extends effortlessly beyond its walls, embracing the outdoors as an essential part of the architectural vision. The design celebrates minimalism under the open sky, with a terrace that feels both refined and welcoming. Every line is clean, every surface intentional, creating a stage for life to unfold in harmony with nature. The landscape gardens soften the geometry of the structure, bringing balance through greenery, texture, and seasonal change. Carefully selected plantings frame the architecture while providing shade, privacy, and a constant dialogue between the built and the natural. This integration ensures that the outdoor space is not a separate zone, but a true extension of the home itself. Anchoring the design is a sleek infinity pool, its surface reflecting both the architecture and the sky. The pool becomes more than an amenity. It is a visual statement, enhancing the sense of openness while offering a place for relaxation and renewal. Whether designed for vibrant gatherings with friends or quiet evenings in solitude, the outdoor living areas embody the essence of seamless connection. They capture current and future trends where indoor and outdoor boundaries dissolve, and luxury is defined by openness, balance, and an enduring relationship with nature. This luxury modern minimalist house tour 2025 reveals a vision of living that is both timeless and inspiring. The architecture stands as a statement of elegance, with clean lines, strong forms, and materials that carry a sense of permanence. Inside, the serene interiors unfold with openness and balance, designed to provide comfort while maintaining a minimalist soul. Every space feels intentional, every detail carefully considered to create harmony and sophistication. The connection between indoor and outdoor living defines the experience of this home. Glass walls dissolve boundaries, allowing light and nature to flow freely through the interiors. Outdoor spaces extend the lifestyle, with landscaped gardens, wellness-focused areas, and a sleek infinity pool that reflect not only the architecture, but also the surrounding environment. It is a seamless integration that transforms everyday life into a retreat. This house is more than a showcase of style. It is a reminder of what true luxury means today. Luxury is not measured by size or extravagance, but by thoughtful design, purposeful spaces, and a natural rhythm that enhances well-being. It is about living with clarity, elegance, and connection to the world around us. Thank you for joining this journey. For more inspiring home designs and architectural ideas, be sure to like, subscribe, and share.